There are many factors to consider when trying to pick a lawyer to handle your case, and that makes your decision even more complicated to make. Once you have made the decision to hire a lawyer, the next step is to pick a specific lawyer to handle your legal matter. While each state has many lawyers to choose from, choosing the right lawyer can make the difference between a pleasant experience and a frustrating experience. Here are some tips that could help you pick a lawyer that is right for you. Before I'll continue, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I do appreciate it. 1. Word of mouth recommendations. The safest road to finding a good lawyer is getting a recommendation from someone you trust. Just like you would ask a friend who is recently remodeled their home if they could suggest a good contractor, you can do the same when it comes to legal matters. If you know someone who has been going through the same or similar legal issues you are going through, ask them for advice. If this is not the case, you can dig through the web and spend some time on forums and review sites looking for attorney recommendations. 2. Field of expertise. In theory, a good lawyer can take on any type of case and win. However, most lawyers specialize in a limited number of areas and build their expertise in them. You cannot expect the real estate lawyer that helped you buy your house to also handle your divorce case. Choosing a lawyer based on their field of expertise will grant better guidance, counsel, and knowledge of your case. 3. Credentials. Allowing a legally unqualified person to handle your case could jeopardize your entire struggle. You can check whether the lawyer you are considering has a license by searching the State Bar website. This is also the place to check whether the attorney has disciplinary orders filed against them. You might also want to check for malpractice insurance. 4. Experience. While the knowledge acquired in law school is vast, it cannot compare with years dedicated to practicing law and the experience acquired in the courtroom. The attorneys practicing law for a long time are more likely to provide fruitful advice about the consequences and potential risks of certain legal steps. They are also more used to the courtroom, especially in complex procedures. Keep in mind, however, that more experienced lawyers usually cost more. On the other hand, sometimes you will find that the fresh lawyers can be more enthusiastic. If you do not need detailed guidance through a complicated procedure, they might be a win-win choice. 5. Price and billing. The price of the service will depend on the various factors we have discussed here, as well as on the size and reputation of the law firm. The complexity of your case will also affect the price and your choice of legal expert. If your issue is not specifically intricate, you can save money by choosing a less experienced, and therefore, more affordable lawyer. Furthermore, billing transparency also counts. The fee structure needs to be honest, clear, and appropriate for the service. Many lawyers advertise a low flat fee while including additional costs, such as printing the documents and court filing. Others bill by the hour. In any case, you should make sure everything is clear from the beginning. 6. Availability and proximity. Even nowadays, when most business interactions are done via phone or email, you need to have the option to physically meet your counselor at least once, depending on the complexity of your case. That is why it would be better for your lawyer to be somewhere where you can reach them without too much trouble. The attorney of your choice also needs to have enough time to devote to your case entirely and immediately, so check their caseload. 7. Comfort and communication. Along with considering professional credentials and financial factors, it is also important that you are compatible with your lawyer. The communication between you two should be honest and two-way. This is especially important for emotionally difficult cases, such as divorce or custody lawsuits. You need to feel comfortable in front of this stranger to share your fears and doubts. Also, you want a lawyer that can inspire respect and trust because sometimes, they will need to tell you something you may not like but that works for your benefit. To learn more about how to pick a lawyer to handle your case, click the link in the description to visit my website.